Holy sh! Oh my god. Damn, that's an... Whoa! Ho, 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 ho. Always keep your eyes on the road, dude. Note to self. I shouldn't have looked there. Man. You learn from your experiences. Always your eyes on the road. Always. The guy behind me. I'm so sorry, dude, whoever you are. I know you won't watch this video, but I'm so sorry. The pillion is like, what the f, dude? Why don't you want me on your bike?
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Oh god, I'm such an idiot. See, I'm not the best person in the traffic. I do have my flaws. I get distracted.
I'm not interested.
But I am honest enough to accept my mistakes. That makes me human. Is there space there? Nope. Ha! These guys are getting through though. And then comes the elite class that get to go over the footpath. Yeah, these are separate VIPs. What the hell? What fell on me?
A few inches later.
कहाँ पे? Holy sh!
ठीक है भाई, मैं चलता हूँ.
The heck, dude? That was... I'm actually a little scared of lizards. I don't know where is it though. Why the f would there be a lizard on my back? It was on my head, and I actually realized something fell on me. I'll have to check myself whether it's still there on me. I'm very scared of these disgusting creatures. It fell from some tree over me. I really hope that lizard is still not on me. Somewhere under my bag or something. Yuck! That thought itself is creeping me out. I'm very scared of lizards. And to have one on my fucking helmet. Yuck. And I felt something fall on my shoulders. It climbed all the way up on my helmet and then just sat there taking a ride. But thanks to him, thanks to that car guy, he was kind enough to at least let me know that I'm carrying a fucking lizard on my head. So hilarious. And whoever was that car guy, dude, if you ever watch this video, thank you. You are a good man. Thank you.
You're a good man. Thank you.
I won't be seduced. I shan't be seduced by this green signal and then get stuck in the traffic later on. I'll take a turn. My life will take a turn.
कुछ भी
And I don't know what's it with these lizards. Like, why do you have to always end up at the oddest of odd places? Like, where the fuck did you plan a trip to Goregaon? Seriously? I mean, yeah, I always dreamt of dating the Dragon Queen, but for that I don't need to be a lizard man or something. I know that joke is lame, come on, deal with it. I just carried a lizard on my head, damn it.
Okay.
It's very less crowded today. Speaking of which, life always has a very bad habit of proving you wrong. Well done, buddy. Whoa. I don't blame you, man. I take my words back.
बन जाता है, इसमें दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है। इसी ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Holy shit. Oh my god. God damn it. What's the number of it? 2723. अरे वही तो यार. हाँ काय कोणी? हाँ त्याने ब्रेक मारला, ह्याने ब्रेक मारला, मी ब्रेक मारला ना तुम्ही.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
त्याने ब्रेक मारला, ह्याने ब्रेक मारला, मी ब्रेक मारला ना तुम्ही. कौन चला रहा था फुल स्पीड में? त्याचा नंबर घेतला, उसका नंबर लिया है मैंने. अभी देखता हूँ, मैं कंप्लेन करता हूँ.
बैठो बेटा, बहुत कुछ समझना है जिंदगी में.
आप तुम्हाला लागलंय का कुठे? Hell dude. This just came off. I'm glad I'm not hurt at all. I'll have to put this in my bag now. Oh, he's completely demolished. I'm glad it didn't damage anything else. तू मानणार नाही
काही करा तुम्ही आपल्यावर देणार में सब रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा ना
hell dude hell this just won't go inside now. I wonder how this came out. And I'm thankfully not hurt anywhere. And I actually was at a halt. I have no idea, man, who was at fault.
A few moments later.
Just a bad day, I guess. There's no point in fighting with those guys because, and every one of us knew that the fault was at that the bus was at fault. I just hope that there's nothing else damaged on my bike. I'll have to nicely go and inspect everything else because I've got a ride planned in a few days. And I don't want any drama then. And many of you must be thinking, why did I not go after that guy, that bus driver? Nothing was going to come out of this. I'll unnecessarily waste all of my time. So why do that? Might as well just get anything. He's not going to pay me for whatever the damages that have occurred. If he was capable enough to do that, he wouldn't be driving the bus. I was just making sure if no one's hurt, because that's important. I'm actually really happy that he wasn't hurt at all. He was actually thrown off the bike, as far as I remember. Now I'll have to go home and check the footage again. But what I saw at that moment, he was actually thrown off his bike.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
So I'm glad he's fine. He's not hurt. He's just had a little bruise, I guess, on his knee. That's it. But yeah, a little bit of damages, that's it. Luckily nothing more was harmed. Just I lost my number plate. So I'll have to replace it for now. And that's not much of a damage, so that's okay.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
And actually I was also confused. I could not comprehend what happened at the time. I almost crashed into the guy in front of me, and while I was apologizing to him, some random dude on his bike came flying over my bike. हाँ सर आप बीच में ही खड़े रह लो ना, सिंगल सीट है भाई, बॉस लिफ्ट भी मांग रहा है. I actually told him to pull over, but that guy he knew that he was at fault, so he just fled. And I had his number, so I can take but then we'll go through all of that. For the damage that all of this has caused, so much effort is useless. It's all futile, so just might as well just move on with it.
Bonus.
I feel sad for my indicator though. Poor thing just popped out. But it kept blinking though. That's just to see the silver lining of it.
लड़ेंगे आखिरी सांस तक.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.